Do you want to change the Instagram highlight cover? You can edit the highlight cover on Instagram with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To change your Instagram highlight cover, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen to go to your profile page. Now, under your bio, long press on the highlight you want to edit. A pop-up menu will appear. From here, tap on Edit Highlight. A new screen will appear. Tap on the Edit Cover option at the top of the screen. Now, tap on the gallery icon at the bottom of the screen to upload a custom image from your phone. Select the image you want to set as the new cover. Adjust or crop the image if needed, then tap on Done. Again, tap Done to save the changes. Now, your Instagram highlight cover is successfully updated.